What's up everyone? This is my review of this crib that we got on Amazon. Me and my family were a huge fan of this and it's done a really good job for all of the kids that we put into it. So it works well with toddlers and babies alike. I think it looks really sleek. It has a nice modern little look. It's really durable. If the kids lean on it, it's not going to get broken. It has 4 wheels on all 4 sides, so it's easy to transport as is, but also if you take the pad out, so this pad comes with it, has just a board on the bottom, and you just reach in, clip this, rise it all the way up, and then these doors, they have hinges, the sides, and it folds up to take up way less space. So you can also elevate the bed if you would like, but it's just such a great design, really easy to assemble, and I highly recommend. It's super durable, tried and true with me and my family, and it's a great value for the price, so check it out.